Thinking of giving your iPhone a fresh start or passing it on to someone else? A factory reset wipes everything clean, so make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any important step. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Before resetting, it's a good idea to back up your data, either to iCloud or your computer, so you don't lose anything important. Once you're ready, scroll down and tap General. Now scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, tap Erase all content and settings. This will remove all apps, photos, and settings. Tap Continue when prompted. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. Next, tap Erase iPhone to confirm. You'll be asked to enter your device passcode. Then, type in your Apple ID password to turn off Find My iPhone and start the reset. The screen will go black and the Apple logo will appear. After a few minutes, your iPhone will restart, completely wiped and ready to set up as new or hand over to someone else. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.